the fees felt high enough anyway when I started. The only thing is that, it's the loan that you get, and yes, you do need to repay it, but it doesn't feel so scary when you first start. But definitely higher fees. I don't even know the reason for it going up higher, and I think it would just be overwhelming for me.
One of the main reasons why you'd go to Queen's is cheaper fees instead of going away. So if they're closing the gap, you might think of going abroad then. It's a good uni, but it's a lot cheaper than going away, and jobs are hard coming out of uni now, so if you've got more debt, then it's something to think about. Maybe not even going to uni at all might not be worth it anymore.
Yeah, because one of the main reasons that I stayed here was the lower fees relative to the rest of the UK. So probably would have encouraged me to look at maybe Scotland or England as other options. Yeah, the cost of living around Belfast I think is higher relative to places in England, just through what I've heard from friends. So I think if the prices for the fees did rise, it would make actually staying here just a lot less feasible.
I think I was like 4,500 when I maybe first started, so that's a massive increase. I don't know. Yeah, didn't really consider much going across the water before, but now, but because it was so much cheaper and everything. But now maybe I don't know.
I think I still would have, yeah.
Why?
It's just sort of always been the place I wanted to go, so it wouldn't have put me off. It probably would have made me think of other options, but it wouldn't have completely put me off altogether.
I think so, because I know I did want to study away, and it was the lesser fees here that made me want to stay. If it was the same, I might just, be like, may as well go to Scotland or something as well.